Hello, Vijay. What are you checking on your mobile?
Guinea. I'm trying to learn about the various schemes regulated by the government which can play a part in managing my money. Can you help me?
Of course, Vijay. Where do you need help? The government runs many schemes which are enhanced from time to time to help citizens in managing their money and finances.
My wife has been telling me that I should set up a small shop in our village, but I don't have enough funds to do it. Can the government help us in setting up our dream shop?
Yes, Vijay. The government announces a variety of loan schemes to help set up and run micro and small enterprises. The Pradhan Mantri Mudra Yojana is one such scheme.
Tell me more about the Pradhan Mantri Mudra Yojana, Guinea.
It is a scheme under which small businessmen can take collateral-free loans up to 10 lakh rupees for non-farm related income generating activities and get a head start.
Oh wow! So I can take a loan under the scheme from any designated bank branch across the country?
Yes, Vijay. You can take the loan and tell your friends too. The assistance is available to all non-corporate small businesses, including manufacturing units, shopkeepers, fruits and vegetable vendors, truck operators, repair shops, and machine operators, among others.
I will go to a bank branch or maybe the microfinance institution representative in our village and check the details of the scheme. Looks like our dream of setting up a shop will now come true.
All the best, Vijay. What else, Vijay?
Guinea, I'm very worried about my daughter's future. We want to educate her and also save enough for her marriage. What should we do?
Open a Sukanya Samriddhi account for her.
That is a great idea, Guinea. I read that it is a small saving scheme targeted at the girl child which gives higher interest than fixed deposits and has associated tax benefits. Is it correct?
That is correct, Vijay. Remember to open the account before she turns 10 and deposit money every year. You can even deposit as little as 1,000 rupees in a year if you want to. The maximum amount that you can deposit is 1,50,000 rupees per annum.
Will do, Guinea. You know what is the other worry?
What?
We worry. What will happen to us when we become old? How will we manage? I want us to have a happy life.
Have you subscribed to a pension scheme yet?
Guinea, I have been thinking of subscribing to the Atal Pension Yojana. A bank mitra told us that I would get a guaranteed pension when I turn 60 years old. She also explained that the pension could range between 1,000 rupees to 5,000 rupees per month, depending on our contribution.
That is correct, Vijay. The age for entry for the Atal Pension Yojana is between 18 to 40 years. Since you have a KYC compliant bank account and you do not have any other pension schemes, you should enroll in it as soon as possible. The pension will help you in your old age.
Okay, I must tell you something, Guinea. After you told me about the Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana, PMJDY, and I opened a PMJDY account, I keep telling all our relatives and friends about it.
That sounds great, Vijay. What did you tell them?
I told them that the Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana, PMJDY, is a national mission for financial inclusion to ensure access to financial services, including banking or savings and deposit accounts, remittances, credit, insurance and pensions in an affordable manner. They can open a zero balance account and get a RuPay debit card like me. I now use it regularly.
Wow! You have now become an ambassador of PMJDY, Vijay. Do remember to check all details of every scheme thoroughly and keep a track of all changes that may be announced from time to time.
I will, Guinea. Thanks for all the information. I hope to use it well. Bye-bye.
It has been my pleasure, Vijay. All the best to you and your family. See you soon.